morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, get back here. It's cruise day. It's this one's birthday.
It's
Happy
Sunday,
birthday.
not Tuesday.
I said it's cruise day.
Cruise day.
Cruise day.
I'm ridiculous this morning. I don't know why.
Happy birthday. It's because you're old. It's fine.
Dad joke started at 33.
It's dad. Well, you're ahead of the game then. We've got luggage. We've got everybody awake. I can't decide if this is an impressively little amount of luggage or an impressively large amount of luggage. Wait a minute. Your mom is bringing 2 purple suitcases? We're gonna single-handedly sink the ship, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, I will do this. Then we will
Let's
look
sing
at
for
Dad's
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, baby. Happy birthday to you.
Let's go cruising.
Fun fact, did you hear Kristen just call him Icky? That is what Alice calls him. Ick. Ick. That's all she can get out. When she says Eric, she goes ick. Yeah. We are expecting a video from her later.
Entire river?
Yeah.
What?
The Amazon.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
Next thing is gonna be a Google River.
Oh. Settlers of Catan. Well, is this Settlers?
Yes.
No,
It's the same thing. They rebranded it.
Oh, so it's not called Settlers anymore, it's just Catan?
It used to be called Settlers of Catan. Now it's just
AKA
Catan.
said.
Ah,
Yeah, I was like very confused because there was multiple
Yeah.
options, and I was like,
it's a game.
Here, look here.
What is it? The gaming nerdness did not come from him. All right, guys, we made it. We're on the ship in our room. Here's a quick little glance before we mess it up. This is a deluxe balcony room. I like the little storage up there. The shower is actually relatively roomy. All right.
That was bigger than the other one.
I like it. This closet space is also nice and roomy. And then in here is our room. Got our bed. We got a couch. That's a bonus of a deluxe balcony. We've got this. I don't know what this is. It's a fridge, babe. You can take food from the place and save it for later.
And I have a place to put the LaCroix that I brought.
Oh, that too.
And
And
the Champagne.
the auto is not working, but we have a balcony. Happy day. And now, all right,
Introducing the romantic.
Horizon Court, 16th floor. All you can eat, whatever you
Everybody
want.
has something completely
Something
different.
completely different.
yeah.
Every plate, because that's how it is.
That's how many options are.
We're on the pool deck, and we can look down. Whee! Whoa, that's trippy.
Don't go on the balcony naked. They're about to see you.
Oh, don't go on your balconies naked, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Whatever, the old whatever.
This is Michael's first cruise. He's taking it all in. This is the sky deck. We're on floor 16, I think, where the pools are.
Seems so small, doesn't it?
It does. This is 3 levels of the main, what do you call it? The atrium, the promenade area, the beautiful spiral staircases. We have a picture from our honeymoon in front of that very thing. Right there. It was either on that side or this side. I don't remember which one. There's a Christmas tree. And they even have carolers for us while we're being all welcomed aboard. How nice. You guys ready for this?
Well, welcome, Brianna.
Welcome, Brianna. Look at that. Door unlocked.
It is super creepy.
Boom. I did nothing.
Look, hold on. Come back over here.
Oh, wait, coming back.
Has a birthday
Brianna,
cake next to my name.
Oh, because it's your birthday. That's awesome. We're moving. Off we go on our week-long adventure. Hooray. You can hardly tell that we're moving on the screen.
Aim down, maybe? Aim at the houses nearby.
We're be gentle.
You gotta learn how to do this high class dining.
Dinner is base. I called it base. Bass.
Land?
Hashtag musician problems. With like a Caribbean salsa on top, and
Because she's all about that bass.
I'm all about that base. And quinoa on the bottom. Birthday bowl. Wow, you should see how pink that is in the viewfinder.
Oh my goodness.
Has prime rib and corn and potatoes. That looks amazing. I think that's what all of us ordered. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eric. Happy birthday to you.
And Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas. Woohoo! Let's check that out. Oh, holy cow. Yeah. Dessert is a milky chocolate hazelnut souffle with an amaretto cream sauce.
A little hot.
Yes. It's time for a show. Tonight's show, Motown. Excellent seats. We're here a little early to make sure we get seats. We can't film during the show. That's illegal. As one does when you're on a cruise. This was our tradition. Oh wait.
10 o'clock at night.
10 o'clock at night. My darling husband, every night on the last cruise we were on, went and got food from the 24-hour, or not 24-hour, because that's why we had to get food. The buffet that's going all day, but it closes at 11 o'clock. So he runs upstairs and gets last-ditch effort food to last him until breakfast. This is, of course, for both of us. Well, at least I think the pizza's mine. I don't know about the rest of it.
Mac and cheese.
Ooh. Oh, snap. That's mine, too. That's really good. Did you have a good birthday?
Ooh, that's good.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That was actually very surprising. Bow tie
It's very
noodles is mac and
buttery.
cheese. Yeah, it's good.
It's a little more buttery than cheesy.
It's good. Have a good birthday.
Pretty good.
What was your favorite part of today?
Actually getting here.
Getting it done.
Yeah.
Oh,
it was
man.
A bit of the travel day was a little bit of a stressful day, and I got a little nauseous with the boat rocking, and
Which we can feel, by the way. It's weird.
I've never had an issue with it before in my life.
It's true.
So just today was weird.
Yeah. Oh well.
But
We're here now.
so far so good.
We're eating food. And there's...
And that was a really good part of my day too.
Yeah,
Dessert
this
is
was really good. So we're gonna eat this, and call it a night, because this guy goes to shore in the morning.